Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad 8, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, all you need to do is hold your power button and select power off. Now once the device turns off, hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. After a moment, once you see the Honor logo on a screen, like this, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Now when the screen turns black, about now, there we go, you can let go of the volume up as well. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options like restart, which takes us back to Android, clear data, which consists of factory reset and wipe cache partition, then we have update mode and safe mode. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna select the first option, which reboots the device and takes me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.